Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Jen. I'm here to do another unboxing of boxycharm. This is for the month of October. So I just want to show you really quick what I got. Some nice little goodies. So according to the pamphlet that comes with it, I got variation 20. And let's start. First thing out the box I got was Joseph Colors eyeshadows. Now I was really excited that I was getting this because it's Joseph Colors, right? I'm just not really excited about the colors, but I'll make it work. So this is what it looks like inside. They're like browns, grays, taupes. So we'll see how that works. We'll try another video next to do different eyeshadows and stuff like that so we can see what's going on. So that was $32. I really wish I had gotten the purple one or the red one, but I got the brown one. The next thing I got is the Iconic London Prep Set and Glow, and this is $29. I really don't use these things because, well, this one is like really wet and it stays like on your face wet. So if I was to do it, I would just do it like to refresh my face if I saw it dry, but not to put makeup. The next thing I got that I'm really excited about is the Hank & Henry Slick With It Mascara Dual. This is $19. Now it's a dual because you get the regular brush and then you get the lower lash brush. Now I already tried this. And believe me when I tell you, this is my new favorite mascara now. No flakes, no transfer proof and waterproof, right? Yep. It doesn't flake, it doesn't transfer, and it's waterproof. So this is my new one, my new favorite one. Then the next thing I got was the Smashbox eyeliner. This is $22. I really like it. I love the tip. I love how you could do anywhere from skinny to fat, and I love how dark it really is. So that's good. And the last thing I got in this box was two of these, which are tomato mask, and it says benefits for tomato mask is it shrinks pores, reduces acne, tones and brightens complexion. So I'll be doing one of those because this looks weird, so we're gonna do it together. I'll do another video. I know I've been lost in the sauce, but I'm back now. And videos are coming back now, so everything will be all right now, I guess. So that was it for the month of October for boxycharm. And altogether, I paid $25. So altogether, this came out to $125. Not a bad deal, I must say so myself. So that is that for boxycharm October. Please share, like my channel, subscribe to my channel. Please leave comments, tips if you have anything in the comments below. Just please be nice, and I will see you in the next video.